Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Bharat Bharati Public School. Today's our second topic is file management. File management, that means how to manage our files in our computer system. Mean कहाँ तुम कौन सा फाइल रख रहे हो, that means where you locate the file easily and where you are looking easily. So first topic is file management, that means how to copy a file folder, a photos also, a videos, a audios file, how to move one place to another places and how to open Windows Explorer, how to open drives, how to open drive, that means we insert pen drive. So when insert pen drive, so this is will appear in Windows drive. So also we can open, we can store it, we can copy the data, we can move the data. इसके बाद आता है Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer, that means all the file folders, documents, desktops icon, desktop folders will be appear. That is the Windows Explorer. Mean file management, we can do file manage in our Windows Explorer. In Windows Explorer में हम लोग को file management करना है. Management, that means we can do by easily we can take the file in a making folder. Next thing is how to start Windows Explorer. That means click on start button. First step is click on start button. Second step is all program. Third step is accessories, and fourth step is explorer. That is why click on start button, all program, accessories, and Windows Explorer. This is located, and this all steps of Windows 7, not the Windows 10. मीन ये जो सारा स्टेप है आपका, वो सारा Windows 7 के लिए है. हम लोग Windows 7 का ये स्टेप है, क्योंकि Windows 7 is very popular and useful operating system in market and us also. So this is click on start button, all program, click on accessories, next click on Windows Explorer. When we click on Windows Explorer, so many folders and documents will be appear in the left pane. So if you want to open document, so click on document. If you want to open desktop, so click on desktop. Mean when click on desktop, so all the file folders and icons will be appear. Next thing, you want to open all the drives. Mean total drives appear. Suppose that local C, local D, local E, local F. Either you insert secondary drive, so you also seen there. So when we click on computer commands, many more commands will be appear there. That means the left pane वो सारा appear होता है. Next thing is opening drives and folder. Means suppose that when we open Windows Explorer, so this one is all the drives will be appear. जितना भी drives है आपका वहाँ पे appear हो जाएगा. जैसे first drives local C, that means your computer system will be all things. Suppose that downloaded, suppose that you are installing program installing, all the software will be installed in local C. And the local D and local E, this is the by user choice, मतलब हम लोग जो चाहेंगे उसमें रख सकते हैं. और सेकेंडरी ड्राइव में आ जाएगा. सेकेंडरी we can insert floppy disk, we can insert what pen drive storage. So we can move, we can copy any file folder one place to another places, one storage to another storage. Okay, so our next topic is how to copy or move a file or folder from one storage device to another storage device. That means हमारे ड्राइव में है, हमारे ड्राइव से पेन ड्राइव में करना है, या पेन ड्राइव से फ्लॉपी डिस्क में करना है. Both are the storage unit. It is not fixed in our CPU cabinet box. So this is the process steps of one storage device to another storage device, like from the pen drive to floppy disk. So all steps are same. So open, first of all, open Windows Explorer. When Windows Explorer will be open, then appear all the file, folder and commands in the left pane. All the drives also displaying. So when we click on computer, so display will be appear all the drives and storage device. So we can open storage device, either pen drive, either floppy disk, either another storage device. So when you open, so select file and folder. हम लोग को select कर लेना है. Then right click on it and next select the copy and move commands. Means when we click on right click on it, so many commands will be appear. So from the user device, if you want to copy, so click on copy commands, and if you want to copy move, so click on move command. Then place the cursor where you want to copy and move. Place the cursor, that means there is storage unit, one storage unit to another storage unit. So we click on another storage unit and place the cursor and right click there and click on paste. So this is the step of how to copy and move a file or folder from one device to another storage device, one storage device to another storage device. Now this is the steps of how to copy and move file or folder, one drive to another drives and one storage to another storage units. So when we can do it, either we have a shortcut key for the copy and cut and paste. So all the steps are same, but if you want to copy a file or folder from one place to another places, so use shortcut key Ctrl+C. That means for this shortcut key is used for copy a file or folder. Ctrl+X, that is the shortcut key of cut a file or folder from one place to another place. That is move from one place to another places. We can use shortcut key Ctrl+X, and for paste Ctrl+V. This is the shortcut key of cut, copy and paste. Cut is another name of move. So when these commands will be useful when our file or folder is selected. When our file or folder is selected, without selected, these commands will be not do the work. Okay. Our next topic, searching a file or folder in our computer system. So we can search any file or folder in our computer system by three ways. First way is use search box from start menu. आप देखे होंगे when you open any file or folder, either software like as MS Word, MS PowerPoint, so we can click on start button, then appear a box. So this box is called search box for any file or folder. any कोई भी फाइल फोल्डर आपका नहीं मिल रहा है, आप वहाँ पे उस फाइल और फोल्डर का नेम डाल दीजिए, सर्च कर दीजिए, आपको वो फाइल और फोल्डर मिल जाएगा. मीन we can want search any file or folder. So we can type the name in search box of start menu and click on search option. So our file or folder will be appear in our monitor screen. Second option is use search box in a folder. This is located in the right pane. When click on computers commands, so all the storage device and drives will be appear there. So when appear there, so search box will be also appear in right pane. Right pane, that means our computer screen, right side of computer screen, that is called the right pane, and left pane, that means the left side of the screen. This is the left pane. So, and third is adding search files. Adding search files means when we click on open search box, so then will be appear a command search file, adding search files. When we can add search in files command, so date and time also we can choose there, and we can also search the file and folder from the adding search file. ये याद दिला देगा कि आपको कब और फाइल और फोल्डर को क्या करना है, सर्च करना है. I mean, this is the three ways for searching file or folder in our computer system. First, use search box from start menu. Use search box from in a file or folder. जब हम लोग बोले अभी जस्ट कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे हम लोग क्लिक करेंगे. उसके बाद आएगा adding search files. Mean we open search box, so appear. Our next topic is wildcards. Wildcard is used for searching a file and folder either with name, either without name. We can use two ways. Searching for unknown strings. जो भी फाइल फोल्डर आपको नहीं पता है, अगर पता है तो उसको हम लोग सर्च बॉक्स में नाम के साथ डालेंगे, नहीं पता है तो उसका एक्सटेंशन के साथ डालेंगे. दैट मीन्स we can use the name of the file or folder in search box, either we can give the extension of file or folder, so our search box will be open all the file folder there and we can select the file and folder. Second is searching for unknown characters. Searching for unknown characters, this is the symbol, this symbol is known as question marks, and this one searching for unknown string, that is called the asterisk symbols. So searching for unknown character, that means we can give the characters like as plus, minus, multiply and question marks also. So this type of file and folder will be appear when click on search option, so we can select our file and folder which has our file and folder in our computer system. Our next topic, different file format have in our computer system. बहुत ये जितना है ये सारा चीज का ही फाइल फोल्डर हमारे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में होता है. That means all the file and folder will be in our computer. So this is the all format of file and folder who have in our computer. First is document. Document, that means you have worked in MS Word, WordPad, Notepad, ये सारे जो है वो टेक्स्ट फॉर्म में होता है, डॉक्यूमेंट्स फॉर्म में होता है. ये सारा वर्क इसमें आ सकता है, ये सारा डॉक्यूमेंट्स में आता है. इसका एक्सटेंशन है .doc और .docx. This is the extension of documents files. This is the extension of documents files. Mean all the charts, text for text, symbols, shapes, all be appear in our document files. This is mostly used in MS Word, related to Word. Second thing is spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is the MS Excel file. Mean when you open MS Excel, so a electronic spreadsheet will be appear and saved with .xls and .xlsx. This is the extension of MS Excel's files. So this is called the spreadsheet files and folders. So this one is the extension of spreadsheet program, spreadsheet electronic worksheet like as part of MS Excel files. Next thing is images files. आज सभी लोग तो लोग अपने सबके पास मोबाइल होगा, आप कैमरा भी यूज किए होंगे. So all the captured images has a extension. So whose extension? So depends on your camera, depends on your graphics. So .gif, .png, .tiff and .jpeg or .jpg. This is the file format of images file. मतलब हमारा जो पिक्चर होगा इसी एक्सटेंशन के साथ होगा. आप अपने मोबाइल से लिया हुआ फोटो भी चेक कर सकते हैं, उसमें भी एक्सटेंशन होता है इमेजेस फाइल का. उसके बाद है Adobe Acrobat. Adobe Acrobat, that means related to PDF file format. Mean we can send it many PDF file in your WhatsApp group of your particular lesson of your book and all subject. We can check them. The extension of Adobe Acrobat, that is .pdf, is the extension of PDF file. Next thing is executable program. एक्सिक्यूटेबल प्रोग्राम, दैट मीन्स वो एग्जीक्यूट होने वाला है, जो कि जस्ट एग्जीक्यूट होने वाला है। कोई भी हम लोग करते हैं तो वो हमारा एक्चुअली मतलब क्या है, जस्ट वो रन होने वाला है, प्रोग्राम रन होने वाला है। तो दिस इज द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ एक्सिक्यूटेबल प्रोग्राम .exe। नेक्स्ट थिंग इज ऑडियो फाइल्स। नेक्स्ट थिंग इज ऑडियो फाइल्स मीन आप लोग घर में सॉन्ग वगैरह सुनते हैं तो उसका एक्सटेंशन होता है, वो फाइल फॉर्मेट है, उसका एक्सटेंशन क्या हो सकता है, .mp3, .wave। दिस इज द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ ऑडियो फाइल्स। एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियोस फाइल्स फॉर्मेट। आप देखते होंगे घर में मूवीज वगैरह तो क्वालिटी लो एंड हाई जो होता है तो वो वीडियोस किस फॉर्मेट में हो सकता है, वो वीडियोस फॉर्मेट हो सकता है .mp4, .hd, लो एचडी, हाई एचडी में भी होता है। तो ये है हमारा क्या, तो फाइल फॉर्मेट ऑफ आवर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम। जितना भी फाइल और कंप्यूटर सिस्टम हमारे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में होता है या हो सकता है वो सारा इसी फॉर्मेट हो सकता है। और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है वेब टेक्स्ट। वेब टेक्स्ट, दैट मीन्स वी कैन क्रिएट ए वेब टेक्स्ट बाय द हेल्प ऑफ HTML कोडिंग। तो इसके बारे में भी पढ़ोगे, लेकिन यहाँ पे .htm और .html, this is the extension of web text program. Like HTML coding, we can start from the notepad. So this is the all parts, all the topics of file management with Windows XP। फाइल मैनेजमेंट में और भी बहुत सारा होता है, जैसे क्यू सिस्टम हुआ है, क्यू सिस्टम में FIFO, फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट, लीडो लास्ट इन लास्ट आउट, LIFO लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट, फर्स्ट इन लास्ट आउट। ये सारा सिस्टम हम लोग फाइल मैनेजमेंट के थ्रू ही जानेंगे। और फाइल मैनेजमेंट के बाद कोई भी फाइल प्रोग्राम को एक अच्छी जगह पे रख दो, ताकि यूज़र पे डिपेंड कर रहा है वो कहाँ पे रख रहा है। थैंक यू। आज के